Well, it finally happened. Had our first failure of a Bauer Cordless tool. This is a 6.5 inch circular saw. So a battery in here to show you what it does. That's it right there. This is what I was cutting when the tool fell on me. As you can see, it isn't that thick of plywood, and the blade got caught, and once that happened, wouldn't start up again. Hello YouTube! We are talking about a replacement for my broken circular saw. I'm going into the brushless mode. We take advantage of a current deal where you buy a battery charger and a 5-amp battery, and you get to pick a free tool. Here are some of the tools that you get to select from. The most popular one is the grease gun. It's probably the most expensive one. And then right next to it is the cordless circular saw that I picked up. Here are the specs of the 7.25 circular saw. Feel free to pause the video and check out all the features and the specs. Alright, it is now time to do the official unboxing of this Bauer Brushless 20-volt lithium ion 7 1/4 circular saw. Let's open the box, see what we have. Instructions. Oh, the saw itself, all wrapped in plastic. That's heavy duty right there. So I'm hoping that this being brushless, it'll last longer than the model it's replacing, which was brushed and probably 2 years old. This is 6.5 inches, and didn't do a lot of cutting. I don't do a lot of cutting with this, but I don't know if I got my money's worth or not. Alright, let's continue on with the box. What do we have here? This probably attaches and aims the sawdust away from you and the tool. So that's it in the box. I want to say that the old circular saw came with a guide to help you make some straight cuts, and you could see the slot where it fit into, and then you tied it down with this little knob, and allowed you to have a guide to aid in your straight cutting. This one, it does have a place where you could put a guide, but it doesn't come with the guide. So keep that in mind. I gotta find the old guide. I'm gonna check the box again, make sure I'm not seeing it. Nope, nothing in there. All right. Let's check the box. It doesn't even mention it on the box, and it is not one of the features as advertised on the tool. But it has to be for that. Let's give you a all around general feel. There you go. All right. Let's see where this goes. Here's an Allen key. Maybe I should read the instructions. There it goes. Have an LED light. I'm curious to see where this little plastic piece goes. Let me check it out. So this little vacuum port just slides into here. Match up the screw hole with the hole in the plastic piece. Slide it up and it matches. Take your screw, stick it in there, and of course I don't have a screwdriver right now, so let's pause the video, screw that in, and continue. Alright, I'm back with a screwdriver. Now if I can find where I put it, right here, there's a screw right there if you can see it. We're just going to screw that in. Remember, when you're working on these tools, remove the battery for safety, please. You don't want to tighten it too tight and break the plastic. Alright, that's in there solid. Alright. Not much to it. Of course, it comes with the Allen key. Alright, that ain't gonna work. Shouldn't be too tight. And they got a metal push where you can lock the blade so you can get some torque on this. There we go. Last thing I want to do is to drop that nut, and I almost went into that little hole in my so let's see. Alright, that's it there. Alright, so here's the metal push thing where you can lock your blades right there. And while I was shopping at Harbor Freight, I did pick up a Bauer framing blade. This is a 24 tip carbide teeth ATB, whatever ATB stands for. Let's take these scissors and open it up, trying not to cut myself, which is easy to do with these plastic packaging. So far so good. Alright, that should be good enough. Pop that out right there. Alright. Again, whatever you do, there we go. Blade rotation. Careful not to drop that screw. Your finger tighten it. Right there. See if I can show you that. And then I'm going to press the blade lock mechanism and torque this down. There we go. That should be good enough. So let's slap a 3-amp battery in there, because they say don't use anything less than a 3-amp battery. Of course, Bauer now comes with a 5-amp at 8, and I think they're coming out with a 12 soon, if not already. Alright. There we go. Did anybody catch that slow ramp up speed? There we go. Just make sure that rotation is the right way. Yes, it is. Not to mention, it comes with a LED light in the front. They help you, I guess, cut in the dark, or at least see your guideline. And let's get some wood and try it out. Alright, make sure everything's locked down. Here we go. Get a solid piece here. Alright. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And you might consider joining the channel. In the future, I look to upgrade some of my Bauer tools from brush to brushless, and I'll be including those videos in the future.